If you're a process manufacturer, it's difficult for you to keep track of the inventory. Ensuring you have the right inventory in right numbers at the right time and at the right place to meet the demand can be hard. And if you use disparate systems, it can get even harder. You may end up wasting time switching between applications to check stock on hand, to place orders, to track shipments, and to manage suppliers. The fix? You need Batchmaster ERP software's inventory management functionality. It lets you manage and keep track of inventory right from receiving into production, and from production to shipping. Being a part of an integrated ERP solution, it works closely with other modules of the ERP, allowing you to manage suppliers, optimize purchases and inventory levels, and get critical insights about your businesses anytime. With it, you have the right inventory that's fit for production, in right numbers, enough to meet the orders and avoid stockouts, at the right time, so that your customers are never made to wait, and the right place, at all the locations from where you produce or sell. So, what are you waiting for? Fix all your inventory woes, and do a lot more, with Batchmaster. Visit us online today.